Namaste. I'm super excited to share the news with you that I'm going to launch the challenges for project managers who wanted to accelerate their career into the field of RPA and artificial intelligence, focusing on strategy and leadership instead of the coding. So, in case you are also excited and you wanted to accelerate your career, I'll encourage you to join me part of this challenge, accept challenge daily and try to think about the problem statement. So let's get started. Challenge 1 today, I'll give you some problem statement innovatively that why RPA is so exciting in digital transformation. So let's get started without further delay. Let's think about a use case and the challenge. Telexa is an organization which has decided to go for digital transformation, and it had its own reason to go for digital transformation. So let's little understand about the Telexa background. Telexa, it's a fictitious name, nothing to take with any company. It's a US based company, presence in 28 countries. It has got 38,000 employees worldwide. It's offering broadband services to its customer. It has got large legacy applications, and last but not the least, Telexa is facing a fierce competition from its competitors. And this fierce competition forced the Telexa to go for digital transformation, and the leadership team has laid down the three vision in place. It's a very high level vision. Number one is improve the productivity of their employees. Number two, increase the operational efficiency on the different business parameters, and one of the business parameter is reduce the overall cost and improve the cycle time of the delivery. Number three, the Telexa wanted to improve the customer experience to face the competition and create a competitive advantage into the market. These are the three vision. But now let's little understand the enterprise landscape of Telexa. Telexa, it's a 128-year-old company, and it has got a large scale process tools, technology, and the very legacy applications. And one of those applications are SAP, CRM, many different forms and shapes of CRMs, mainframe, DB2, different kinds of reporting and business intelligence tools, and the legacy developed .NET, Java, and custom scripting based lot of applications and tools spread across horizontal and vertical into the different departments. So now the biggest challenge comes with Telexa. It's 128 years old enterprise. It has got many old and legacy applications. Since it's spread across the 28 countries and lot of legacy application, very large vast application domain, change management is very challenging into Telexa like organization. But what is happening? The Telexa is facing a fierce competition from the young startup, and those startups are hardly 5 to 10 years old. I mean, it's pretty young startups which are disrupting and innovating the industry. Their systems are mobile and the cloud driven. There is no legacy or monolithic footprint. Those young startups are delivering the value very fast. So these are the challenges. So what happens? The choices in front of the leadership team at how to start the digital transformation. One of the choice is go disruptive, replace the entire legacy base and bring the new tools, technology, and then to create a roadmap of 2 to 3 years and go for a massive scale, large digital transformation. And number three is very, very expensive digital transformation roadmap. These are the one choice in front of the leadership team. The other choice, find some innovative solution that is really non-innovative. When I say non-innovative, it's not so disruptive. Number two, deployment is very, very fast. You can imagine something 4 to 6 weeks it can get into production and deliver the value fast to the customer. Number three is economical. It's very cheap and economical, that makes sense to business to get the ROI very fast. These are the two choices in front of the leadership team. Now, let's assume and imagine that you are the project manager or the strategic leader in charge. What will be your strategy? This is the challenge. Please make a note of it. What will be your strategy? What you prefer to select, disruptive or non-innovative technology? Short-term or long-term goal? Where you prefer? What will be your selection criteria? Expensive versus economical technology. So please take this challenge. Please take this challenge and what will be your strategy and how you will take this entire digital transformation ahead. Tomorrow, get ready to take the challenge number 2, that why RPA is so exciting versus others. So we'll again meet tomorrow. This is Madan Upadhyay again tomorrow. Thank you very much.